Hello and welcome to the video. This is the draw for this quick draw here for some TX16S bling. This is a little bit of a different thing here. Rather than me give everyone a week to put their name down, I thought, you know what, let's just do like a 24-hour thing. So it's for these things here. These are the light up things that go in your radio, have a white and a pink set, and you needed to like, comment, subscribe, and also put the name of the colour you were interested in. Now, because of the slightly shorter nature, there's only 147 comments, so there's actually a very good chance of winning, particularly when you look at who had white and pink. So let's filter duplicate users, search for white first, get YouTube comments. Only 75 people. Okay, so you got 1 in 75 chance of winning. That's pretty good. So the winner of the white, is that the no? Okay, right. The winner of the white one is William Decker. William, congratulations. You have won the white set. Pop me your address details to lee@painless360.com and I'll get them out to you. Okay, next one is the pink. I don't have to redo the URL, do I? Just put pink. Get YouTube comments. Oh, it's kind of sorted out. Oh, less for pink. It's actually more of a purple. The winner of the pink set is Katrina LaFay. Katrina, congratulations. Again, pop me your address details to lee@painless360.com and I will get these out to you. Commiserations to those of you that didn't win. Do stay tuned. Make sure you're keeping up with the videos as there will be other draws coming. And also stay tuned for tomorrow's video, which I think is going to be a very interesting one. It's about a DIY head tracker that's easy to build and cheap too. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that if you're trying to learn a topic will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.